Hello everyone. So today we are discussing a very important topic that have resurfaced many times, time and again in Indian politics. That's about Rahul Gandhi's citizenship issue. So recently, if you see, the Allahabad High Court set a strict deadline for the Ministry of Home Affairs to clarify whether Rahul Gandhi holds dual citizenship. So this issue raised important questions about constitutional provisions, the political rivalry, and also about transparency. So in this video, let's dive into the details of this matter and we'll try to explore its implications also. So guys, let's start with the background of this controversy. Rahul Gandhi, the leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha, has been at the center of, citizenship related debates for several years. So allegations have been made that he holds dual citizenship, Indian and British. So this has significant legal implications, as Indian law does not allow dual citizenship under Article 9 of the Constitution. Just remember that article in case if there is any question, you need to be in a position to remember. So if proven, it could disqualify him from serving as member of parliament and contesting election also. So actually, as per Indian Constitution, Article 9, the dual citizenship was not allowed. So that's very significant. So the controversy again gained momentum when advocate Vignesh Shishir, who's a member of BJP, filed a petition in Allahabad High Court. So the petition actually claims that Rahul Gandhi's British citizenship was verified through confidential emails from the UK government, which again indicated his status as a British citizen. So the petition here demands a thorough investigation by the CBI. So that's actually the case, and the deadline was set by the Allahabad High Court to decide about this to MHA. Now let's look at the High Court directive to the center. See, on Monday, Allahabad High Court issued an interim order directing the Ministry of Home Affairs to provide a detailed response by December 19, 2024. So it has been given 3 weeks. Okay. So the two-judge bench comprising Justice Rahman Mazoodi and Justice Subhash Vidyarthi emphasized the need for clarity on this matter because this is important when it comes to constitution also. So the court expects the MHA to disclose whether Rahul Gandhi possesses dual citizenship, or not. Okay, and if there is any action taken in this regard also. So it need to be very clearly specified and detailed by December 19, 2024, and that's the interim order. So this directive marks a significant development as it is the first time a specific deadline has been set for resolving this issue. We have discussed that this issue has been surfaced time and again and again, this political issue is coming and all the time it has been discussed. But now it's a very strict deadline which is issued by a high court. Okay, now let's look at the petitioner's arguments and the evidences. So as I told you, the petition was filed by Vignesh Shishir, which is based on claims by VSS Sharma, who reportedly received an email from the UK government suggesting that Rahul Gandhi holds British citizenship. See, the emails remain confidential. It has been shared privately with the petitioner. That is again adding weight to the allegation. So if you see, again, the issue is that, or you see, under UK General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR, and the UK Data Protection Act 2018, such data cannot be publicly disclosed unless Rahul Gandhi personally authorizes to release this data. So here the petitioner argues that if Rahul Gandhi indeed holds a dual citizenship, it violates the Indian constitution as we discussed the Article 9 and also raises the questions about his eligibility as an MP. So this, demands an in-depth investigation to uncover the truth. And that's what the allegations and the arguments of the petitioner. Now, if you see the role 9 in the Indian constitution, see, if you need to understand the gravity of the situation, you need to refer to Article 19 and you need to understand Article 19 of Indian Constitution. So it categorically states that Indian citizens automatically lose their citizenship if they voluntarily acquire the citizenship of another country. So in this case, if Rahul Gandhi holds a British citizenship, that means he voluntarily acquired, that means he automatically lose the Indian citizenship. Okay, so that's the significance of this. So this strict provision reflect India's stance against allowing dual citizenship, unlike some other countries that recognize it. See, the rationale behind this provision was to ensure undivided and uncompromised loyalty to the nation. So a person who's holding dual citizenship may face conflict of interest, especially who's in positions of power. Now, See, we will also need to see whether it's a political rivalry or a genuine concern. See, the controversy has also become a battleground for political rivalry. There is no doubt about it. BJP leaders have, consistently raised questions about Rahul Gandhi's citizenship and accused him of violating Indian laws. But on the other hand, if you see, Congress and Rahul Gandhi's supporters argue that such petitioners are politically motivated and aimed at distracting the public attention from various other pressing issues. So this back and forth, reflects the deeply polarized nature of Indian politics, where legal matters often, intersect with the political strategies also. If you look at the previous petitions and the investigation, see, I told you already, it's been several years and it's not the first time Rahul Gandhi's citizenship has come under scrutiny. In 2022, again, VSS Sharma filed a similar petition in the UK court, but the details remained inconclusive. And Subramanian Swamy, another BJP leader, had also filed a petition in the Delhi High Court, but the case was deferred pending the Allahabad High Court decision. So, interestingly, if you see, the Delhi High Court noted that the CBI had previously conducted an inquiry into the matter, but no clear findings were reported. So, this lack of transparency has only fueled speculation and again demands for more accountability and transparency. Now, the constitutional implications, let's look at that, and the public interest also. So why does this issue matter so much? Why it is so significant? As a public figure and a potential prime ministerial candidate and also the leader of opposition, Rahul Gandhi's citizenship, that status of his citizenship holds significant, right? So it is having so much of weightage also. So if proven that he hold dual citizenship, it could lead to disqualification from public office, and that will reshape India's political landscape also. Moreover, it highlights the importance of upholding constitutional principles and ensuring transparency in public life. So this case also serves as a reminder of the broader issue of dual citizenship. See, many Indians living abroad hold overseas citizen of India OCI cards, but these do not confer the right of full citizenship. That is OCI, that is different. So the distinction between OCI and Indian citizenship underscores the strict stance India takes on this matter. So that's again very clear that we need that loyalty, right? So you are not allowed to hold that dual citizenship. And which article? Article 9. So, see, December 19, that's the deadline which is approaching. All eyes will be on the Ministry of Home Affairs for their response now to the court. So, December 19 hearing will be a decisive moment. Potentially, it will clarify one of the most debated political controversies in recent years. Unlike what we have seen so far, this is not like that. It's a deadline, it's a decisive deadline which is given, directing that the details need to be submitted before the court on December 19. So until then, it's essential to approach this issue with a balanced perspective, recognizing both its constitutional and political dimension. So that's about this session, guys. I just wanted to update about this, and thank you so much for attending. See you in the next video.